Hey guys, Matthew here. Today we have an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop, and they sent me a Supernova Waylong WRM, some Weight 5 speed lube, a neat Christmas business card, an X-Men Galaxy LM, and the accessories to the LM. This is the X-Men Galaxy V2 LM. It's the Mega Minx I ordered, and I find it much better than the Chi-Hang out of the box. It does feel very tight, and as you can see right here, it is very tight. I can't even pull apart these two pieces from the center. So I will have to do some adjustment, but that's all that I found wrong. Also, there is a little bit of stock lube on the outside, and it's making my fingers feel all grimy. What came on the inside of the box is the pamphlet, but we don't need that, and this small box with the X-Men logo on it. So in this small box, we have spare pieces. They're dyed black, so if you have a black color scheme, you can just change whichever side you have a black color scheme on. But I don't have it, as you can see with my previous main, the Chi-Hang. The Galaxy also feels very small. It's way smaller than the Chi-Hang, as you can see comparing the sizes right now. You can see that there is a gap on the green sides. I think that's about 2 to 3 millimeters, and I can really feel that. This puzzle is also concave, so even if it wasn't that much bigger, it would still feel smaller. So let's get into the turning. So right now it feels very tight, and it can't really corner cut, so that might be something I need to adjust. But so far, it's performing algorithms very well. I can feel the magnetic bump, and I feel that this is why it's so many people's mains. It's just very magnetic, and it just snaps into place. So up next we have the Waylong WRM. So this is a little bit of false branding because, as you guys know, 3.47 was not set on this cube, but I guess Moyu just wants to recognize the record was set on one of their cubes. I ordered the Supernova version, so it came with this Supernova business card. It shows me who's done the magnetization, lubrication, stickering, and the quality control. Let's put that to the side and get into the accessories. When you get this puzzle, there will be a piece of tape on top of this box, so you would want to remove it. It would start and end down here, but let's just get into this. So this is the spring tensioning thing. I looked into it a little bit, and this is to compress the springs, I think. Comment down below if you know anything more than I do. I have no idea what this is. Also, comment down below what these things do. Comment down below what these are, because I really have no idea what they are and what their purpose is. It also comes with this small little pamphlet, how to reassemble the cube. That's a little new. So throw that to the side. And they have the screwdriver, which is for just tensioning the cube normally. We also have an extra set of springs, but I probably won't be touching those because I don't want to ruin my perfectly good cube. There are a bunch of Moyu cards. Now let's just get into the main product, the Supernova Waylong WRM. So it comes in this really cool box, which I'll keep to store it in. And it feels amazing. It feels so much better than my GAN R. And it's just so much, it's so fast, and it's probably my main right away. So this is the GAN R. that's the noise made on the GAN R. And this is the Waylong WRM. As you can see, it's so much smoother. But let's see the corner cutting capabilities of this cube. Easily goes 45, easily 55, and then right here before it starts reverse cutting, it breaks. It can almost go line to line. Except for this line, just normal corner cutting. So reverse, it can go about one piece, and just about one piece, but yeah, these are on relatively tight tensions as well. So I'm gonna go get back to you after I've used it a while and say my final thoughts. So, did I enjoy what I got in my package? Yes. The Supernova Waylong WRM is very good. I've gotten many sub 10 sols on it. I even got a sub 10 average of 5. I got my new PB single, which is 6.97. Yes, I did fake the sub 6 PB video. And yeah, I even went to a comp with this because I forgot to record this outro until after that comp. And the X-Men Galaxy V2 Elm is also a great Megaminx. I podiumed by using it in competition, and I got used to the magnets and size. I like the size because it's way easier to scramble once you pick it up and start to turn it. And the magnets are just the perfect strength so you don't overshoot or undershoot. So, those are my thoughts on the cubes. I haven't used the Weight 5 yet because the cap's stuck on it. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell to never miss on any of this cubing content. I'm out. Peace.